Using TikTok to bring free traffic for ClickBank affiliate marketing. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login, and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open your TikTok app and then go to your profile. So using your TikTok, you can upload a bunch of videos promoting different products. And at the end of each video, don't forget to say, click the link in my bio. So you don't even have to use your own face. You can use stock videos or reshare other videos and add something to it so you don't get copyright issues. So you can see what's working for other videos of the product that you're trying to promote and then model those videos. So to add a link in your bio, you do need to have a business account or you need to have more than 1,000 followers. And if you're just starting out, you can create a business account by clicking on these three bars and clicking on settings and privacy. Go ahead and click on account and then click on switch to business account. Click on next. You can just choose a category and then click on next. So go ahead and add your email or skip this. You can add a bio or you can skip this for now. So you can click on maybe later. Go ahead and click on edit profile and you'll see under business information, you can add your website. So basically you can add your link here by just clicking on it. For being able to add a link, you do have to register your business account. So just click on get started. So go ahead and tick this and then click on register. So you need to fill this part out and then click on next. And then you'll be able to enter your business website here. So you can add a link tree where it includes all the links of all the products that you have promoted on your TikTok. You can also add a link in the caption of the video that you're uploading. So this is how to use TikTok to bring free traffic for ClickBank affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.